Hey guys, it's Ash the Mad Scientist. Today we're making an exploding bag. First we need some vinegar, a cup of vinegar, and some baking soda, a tablespoon, and a plastic bag. First, we're gonna pour all of the vinegar inside the plastic bag. Oh my gosh. Ah. Now we're going to take a spoon of baking soda. It popped because baking soda, and if it mixes with vinegar, it will make carbon dioxide. That emits so much that will get bigger, and bigger, and pop like popcorn. Stay tuned, and see you next time. And like and subscribe to Ash's YouTube channel.